Hello YouTube friends, in this video I show you step by step how to delete the audio track from a video. Have fun! So here I have a video. The file consists of a video track and an audio track. My goal is to remove the audio track. The software I use for this task is called Lossless Cut. There is no actual website for it. Click on Releases to download. The software supports Mac, Linux and Windows operating systems. I use the Windows version. After downloading, just unzip and run it. This is the main window of Lossless Cut. We just drag the file into the window. Let the playback run to hear the sound. To remove the audio track, press the button. Finally, click Export. Done. In the newly created file, the audio track is missing. Let's take a look at the file size. Perfect. Mission accomplished. Hope you liked the video. See you around.